Dear self, I am sorry. I am sorry for believing I am late and comparing my timeline with others. I am sorry for carrying guilt for not doing enough in the past. I am sorry for being frustrated when progress feels slow. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for being impatient with my own growth. Please forgive me for doubting my journey and divine timing. Please forgive me for judging myself so harshly. Thank you. Thank you for the awareness that helps me see my patterns. Thank you for the strength that keeps me moving forward. Thank you for every lesson hidden inside my struggles. I love you. I love you even when you feel stuck and confused. I love you even when fear and anger show up. I love you for trying, evolving, and not giving up. Closing prayer. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Clear, and then we install. Same structure, but now we anchor what you want to feel. Read slowly. Dear self, I am sorry. I am sorry for not fully trusting divine timing and feeling late in life. I am sorry for choosing guilt instead of self-compassion. I am sorry for feeding frustration instead of patience and peace. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for believing I am limited when I am capable of expansion. Please forgive me for choosing fear instead of courage. Please forgive me for allowing confusion when clarity is within me. Thank you. Thank you for the clarity that is growing inside me. Thank you for the confidence that is returning to me. Thank you for the calm momentum that is replacing urgency. I love you. I love you for choosing self-compassion over guilt. I love you for choosing courage over fear. I love you for choosing patience, clarity, and emotional balance. I love you for stepping into confidence instead of doubt. I love you for embracing growth instead of struggle. I love you for building a life of peace, purpose, and fulfillment. Closing prayer. Please forgive me.